A controversial New Mexico sheriff started his day in handcuffs in FBI custody. Tonight he's free again, at least for a while. Rio Arriba County Sheriff Tommy Rodella faced a federal judge this afternoon accused of terrorizing a driver before roughing him up. But the sheriff says the charges are a farce and he's not the quitting type. Here's News 13's Katie Kim.
Mr. Rodella, any comment from you?
Sheriff Tommy Rodella, hand in hand with his wife, State Rep Debbie Rodella, stayed quiet as he left the federal courthouse nearly 12 hours after his arrest.
The FBI wants to make it clear that no one is above the law.
We want a trial in 70 days, and the fight's on.
Rodella's attorney Bob Gorence says his client did nothing wrong the evening of March 11th. Sheriff Rodella, who was off duty, and his son, a volunteer reserve deputy, gave chase in their personal SUV to 26-year-old Michael Tafoya. The Rodellas claimed Tafoya was driving recklessly and almost hit them.
He has an obligation to the citizens of Rio Arriba to investigate.
Tafoya gives a darker account of a road rage incident. He says the sheriff chased him, beat him with his revolver, and slapped him across the face with his badge. The feds say the Rodellas then lied to deputies about what happened. Rodella and his son were released late this afternoon. The sheriff is not allowed to carry a gun.
It leaves a black eye on the entire county.
Rio Arriba County Manager Tomas Campos wants him gone.
Well, the sheriff was arrested. Obviously, something's not correct.
Stepping down makes it look like he did something wrong. That will not happen.
The sheriff only has 4 months left on his term. He lost his primary in June. Regardless of how his case unfolds in court, Campos says taxpayers could be on the hook for Rodella's pricey legal defense.
He's really never off duty. They can say he's off duty. He's the sheriff of Rio Arriba 24/7. He doesn't ever lose that title.
Rodella, who has a checkered past as a judge and a cop, has been investigated by the feds before. Gorence says today's arrest is a charade.
They want to find something. So this was the best they could do, and in 70 days, it's put up or shut up.
Katie Kim, KRQE News 13.
Rodella was investigated last year, accused of letting drivers out of tickets if they donated to his charity. Gorence says the sheriff may consider taking a leave of absence. Both Rodellas have pleaded not guilty. Now, you can read both indictments and watch the full news conference from earlier today. That's on our website. Go to krqe.com.